If you're new to marketing or even a seasoned pro that wants templates that you can use in your own business to make sure you are doing things the right way, Keywords Everywhere has ready-to-use marketing templates that you can grab completely free. Now let me show you what they are. Now, if you go to marketingtemplates.co or click the link in the description, you can check out all of the free templates you can grab to kickstart any marketing campaign as quickly as possible and as confidently as you can. So as you can see here, we have 7 marketing templates available. All of these templates are accompanied by a YouTube video that you can watch to learn how you can best use the templates. If you want to do on-page SEO, you can follow the on-page SEO template. We also have one that you could use to do a competitor analysis. We have a checklist specifically to optimize your blog, even one that you can follow to do your backlink outreach campaigns. And if you are an agency or a consultant with clients, you could use our SEO report template. And we of course have our keyword research template that you could use to find, organize, and track your high-ranking keywords. And our technical audit template will help with the technical aspects of your site, such as indexability and improving your site speed, as well as security and mobile usability. So if you want to download any of the templates, just click into any one of them. This one is the on-page SEO template. So you can watch the YouTube video that accompanies this template. So to download it, just click on the download template button, which will take you to this Google Sheet. And all you need to do now is make your own copy of this template and save it into your own Google Drive. And you could start using it for your own business to do on-page SEO optimization. So go ahead and download these templates. Hundreds of people have already done so. These are great to kickstart your own marketing campaigns and make sure you are doing things the right way right from the get-go. We're always trying to find new ways to provide value for you guys. So make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to our channel. And if you want to check out any other videos, feel free to click the ones on the screen right now. Thank you.